Toastmasters and guests. Today's meeting of the Excelsior Toastmasters Club is not just a special meeting, but a momentous one. The current leaders are moving on to make way for new set of leaders. It is now time for a change of guard in the club, and it's my honor to install the new set of club officers for the current term. Will the outgoing officers please stand as I call your name? Treasurer Gina Annonciata, Secretary and Vice President of Public Relations, Lovely Finstein, Vice President Membership, Ketia Bisret, Vice President Education, Clarencia Etienne, President William Octavius. Please stand. On behalf of Toastmasters International and District 81, I thank all of you for your accomplishments. You are discharged from all further duties and responsibilities as officers of Excelsior CC Toastmasters Club. You may now proceed.